Okay, now I'm chasing down two things. Now that I've got this thing running again, I was just told it sat for 3 years before he got it. Or no, after he got it. And it sat before that. So we do have some leaks going on down here. It looks like engine oil to me. I don't know how much of that is from when I had the valve covers off. That's with these old cars. Everything is moist. Okay, well, right there, I got RTV oozing out of the oil pan. We got some moist coming out of the front seal. Oh, sorry about that. Power steering is bone dry, so that's not it. And I got some moisture back here. I'm not sure what is what. Oh well. And then, yeah, the proportioning valve's stuck up under the exhaust over there, so I was right about that. Man, we got... Where is this oil leak coming from? Let me take a closer look at this. I'm going to blow it all off with some brake clean, and I've got some oil dye I'll put in the engine. Once you check the oil, this beauty popped right out of there. It's going to get a little oil tolerant green Loctite. I've got it bone dry underneath there now. Go throw some of this in here and hit it with the light and see where I can see this stuff weeping. Let me get the dipstick back in before I do anything. I'm underneath the car right now with a UV light. It's hard to tell, but that's red coming out of the front damper seal. I think you can see it developing almost as I'm talking. I'm sure that had a lot to do with that front bolt being loose and it's sitting for a while. Damn Harbor Freight creeper. Not leaping too bad there. We got no weeping coming from the fuel pump. This is all front seal. Ooh, don't touch the exhaust. Yeah, this is all coming from the front seal. You can see it. I don't think it's have to address now. I think this is have to address in the winter problem. Oh, we got to roger that on the front seal leaking. I don't know if you can see it. It's slowly dripping off of there. When it's running, centrifugal force is going to blow that shit up and around, and as much won't leak out. When it's sitting, all that oil is dripping off the chain, coming back down, and it's going to come out. So like I was saying before, I think that one can wait. I need to take that power steering pump off and all that anyways to fix the frame interference. So other than taking it out on the paved road, this is done for now. Well, normally I end my videos with me grabbing a beer, but all this needs to be cut up and split and stacked because winter's coming. We got over 6 inches of rain. I got 2 miles of road that have gone to hell in a handbasket. I got a grade. I need to put new blades on this beast here. I don't think I've driven it since the spring. Let's see how it starts. I don't know who's going to do all this shit when I die or get to the age door I forget to wipe my ass. There ain't too many replacements out there of people that do all this shit. Okay, come on, Detroit Diesel. Well, it must have been warm last time I was in here. Come on, old Smokey. What's going on with the wheels? There we go. Got the blade down. Son of a bitch. That's alright. I just, all I did was plow some of that leaking transmission fluid in the ground. Never know. Okay, let's start again. You know what I was thinking. I might as well start this project with a beer. What time is it? It's almost 12. It'll be all right. It's a breakfast beer. It's got coffee in it.